friends, welcome to Chemistry Chance. In this video, we are learning mechanism of polymerization. So start with free radical polymerization. So in this free radical, start the chain reaction or start the initiation step. So in this, if the monomer unit are increases, so the polymer chain length can be increases. So in this, there are three various steps involved. So first step is initiation step. In this, free radical attack the monomer unit or the carbon which have double bond. This is CH2 double bond CHX and they form R CH2 CHX free radical. And the next step is propagation step, and in this step now the second step is propagation step. So in this step, this free radical combined with fresh monomer unit and they form a new free radical like that R CH2 CHX. This is a free radical and they react with fresh monomer, that is CH2 double bond CHX, and they form a new free radical. So this is R CH2 CHX CH2 CHX free radical. And the last step is termination step. So in this step, depend on the temperature, time. So there are two types of termination can be occur. So in this, first termination by coupling. So in this free radical can combine with other free radical. So this is our first free radical chain and there is N1 times of this chain and there are R CH2 and there are CHX free radical CH2 CHX CH2 N2 times and there is R. When they combine by termination by coupling process, so they form R CH2 CHX N1 times CH2 CHX and there is a bond between these free radicals. So CHX CH2 CHX CH2 N2 times and R. And if there are coupling by disproportion, second is coupling by disproportion. If there are coupling by disproportion in these two molecules, so they form R CH2 CHX N1 times there is a CH2 double bond CHX and there is a CH and they form CH2X and this H goes to there. So there is CH2X CH2 CHX CH2 N2 times R. So these two molecules are formed by the coupling of disproportion. And inhibitors. Inhibitors are the chemical compounds or the substance which kill or inhibit the chain growth of the polymer reaction and which combine with the active site of the polymer chain and stop the chain process. And the examples of inhibitors are nitrobenzene, dinitrobenzene, ionic polymerization. So in this polymerization also involve the attack on the pi electron pair of the monomer unit and they form a carbonium ion. So in the initiation step, a proton is introduced and in this a sigma bond is formed between the monomer unit and the proton and they form a carbonium ion like that. This is proton and this is monomer unit. So they form CH3 and this shift into there. So they form CH3, CHX and there is positive charge. They form a carbonium ion. And in the second step, that is propagation step. So in this step, this carbonium ion attack on the fresh monomer unit CH3, CHX positive and this attack on the fresh monomer that is CH2 double bond CHX and they form a new carbonium ion that is CH3, CHX and there is a bond between these carbon atoms and this positive charge shift on this carbon atom CHX positive. Now the reaction, thus a chain reaction set a strong catalyst that is BF3 act in some water or in methanol. So like that, this is B, F, this is BF3 and this is a water. So they form BF3 OH and this is H and there is positive and negative both charge and this can also be written as BF3 OH positive negative, this is H and this is known as counterpart and this is known as ionic cation. So in the third step, that is the termination step, in this there are two types of termination can be present. If the counter ion can be positive and the hydrogen can be donated from the monomer unit. So they form, so this is our monomer unit CH2, CHX and there is a long chain and there is CH2, CHX and there is a positive charge. So when this is present, BF3 OH negative, so this hydrogen can be donated and their double bond can be occur. So they form CH2, CHX, there is long chain and CH double bond CHX. So this is known as ion pair coupling. Now there is a termination in which this monomer unit is present and this counterpart, that is BF3OH positive negative. So this counterpart attack on this positive carbon atom and they form a sigma bond, and the product is CH2 CH X, and there is long carbon chain, and there is CH2 CH X, and there is OH, and plus BF3. So this is known as cationic termination. So this is the mechanism of polymerization. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. Hit the like button, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.